How New Zealand Post benefits a Kiwi-run online business. If you're an online business owner, it's important to know the advantages that come from integrating your WooCommerce store with a shipping platform. Using a multi-carrier shipping solution like New Zealand Post can help your business reach new customers across New Zealand and beyond. And because of the WooCommerce integration with NZ Post, Kiwi-run companies get access to advanced features that improve their shipping experience. New Zealand Post, the country's national postal service, is an essential service for Kiwis and small business owners alike. It plays a vital role in supporting New Zealanders' jobs at home and their ability to do business with partners overseas. Online business owners are choosing NZ Post by combining it with WooCommerce. WooCommerce is an e-commerce platform that allows you to create an online store and sell products anywhere you want. It's used by millions of websites around the world and has been downloaded so much that it's now one of the most popular e-commerce solutions available today. Now let's discuss how does New Zealand Post benefit local Kiwi-run online stores. Number 1 is custom shipping and delivery options. In New Zealand, you can have the choice of offering free shipping or a custom delivery option. For example, if your product is expensive and you want to make sure it reaches the customer in tip-top shape, you can choose to offer a signature upon delivery service for an extra fee. You can also offer same-day delivery or even guaranteed next-day delivery. This flexibility allows you to cater to different customers' needs while giving them more options when ordering your products online. Number 2 is order tracking. NZ Post tracking is a valuable tool for keeping tabs on your package as it travels around the globe. If you're sending something overseas or trying to collect a shipment from abroad, NZ Post can help provide peace of mind by giving you an idea about where exactly your package might be at any given time. All you need to do is provide your customers with a generated tracking ID, and they can trace the route of their newly ordered package. Number 3 is parcel notifications. New Zealand Post offers several ways to get notifications and updates about your parcels. One of the most popular methods is email, but text messages are also available for a more modern approach. If you prefer to be notified through an app, you can enable push notifications that will let you know when something has been dispatched or delivered without going into the app itself. Number 4 is white label packing slips. Your WooCommerce store will require a packing slip. Whether you're sending physical goods or digital downloads, customers want a verifiable letter or form that shows what they ordered, how much they were charged, and how they will receive their order. NZ Post provides white label packing slips that can easily integrate with your business branding, logo, and language. Number 5 is easy returns processing. If a customer is unhappy with their purchase, they can return the item to you within their specified time frame, or if there is a part that is damaged upon delivery, you want to have a streamlined return process in place that doesn't require a ton of manual oversight. Partnering with NZ Post allows you to automate this process so your customers are happy and your team can easily manage unique return needs. Number 6 is insightful data-driven reporting. The NZ Post Shipping API supports a range of reports that can be used to track your business performance. For example, you'll be able to see how many parcels have been shipped, when they were sent, how much they cost, and more. These reports are available to all WooCommerce users as part of the new easy-to-use integration plugin. Number 7 is powerful support. New Zealand Post is well known for its exceptional customer service, and that is extended to online businesses run by Kiwis shipping locally and internationally. Whenever you encounter a challenge or roadblock, you can quickly call, email, or chat with the support team at NZ Post to overcome and succeed. So, if you're looking for a way to streamline your shipping and delivery options, it's time to look at it. There are WooCommerce integrations that are easy to set up, so you can get back to making great products and providing excellent customer service. This includes building a robust plugin that directly integrates your WooCommerce online store with New Zealand Post benefits and features. You can learn more about adding this integrative plugin technology to your storefront to automate your shipping, delivery, and tracking services offered to all of your clients. Until next time, stay secure and keep growing your e-commerce business. And make sure you never miss a video by subscribing and hitting the bell icon.